I've got my trial copy of Home Designer Pro 2020 open. I'm going to create an overview camera of, it's just a roof plane. That's the only thing I drew in here. Yeah, there it is. And you can see it's a standing seam roof. And if you wanted to change the material, you use this tool here. Then click on the material. And you can go here, material color, see it? And then if you know the RGB, you can just put the RGB in here. And then click OK. Or you can, let me show you, see if I can find something. Yeah, I'm going to type in color, images. Okay. It's not exact. Well, okay, yeah, all right. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to just put this over here to the right on my second monitor. Click on here. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, escape out of that. Anyway, that's on my second monitor. I'm going to click on this, go to the image on my second monitor and click on it. And then click on add to custom colors. Yeah, change the color here, but it hasn't changed. You have to go to the texture tab and then blend. Then you get that color blended with material. It's easy once you know how. And hope this helps you and others. But sometimes this works better than other times, but most of the time, and also, let me show you, you can use this tool here, and let's say it comes out too red. I click on there, click on this color, and then I can lighten it with this slider here. And see, it's already checked over here, blend with texture, so and now I made it more pink. Click on it again, and you can move this slider here yourself. And see, now it's more orange. You get the idea. That's what I wanted to show you, and it's a good starting point, and you can tweak it until you get exactly the effect you want. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.